Hey guys, quick thing. I just picked this up on Instagram. It's called the Spring Gutter. It's from gutterstrainer.com. It's like 1/8 inch, one piece of wire, about a ½ pound, super durable, and it's used to go into a downspout to keep leaves from clogging the downspout or your dry well. I picked it up for like 12 bucks. They can fit, you can get them different sizes, 5-inch or 6-inch gutters, and you can get them stainless or galvanized. I went with stainless. It's a problem solver. Let me show you what I'm doing and why it's important to me. All right, so this is the bulkhead to my workshop in my basement. It's only a couple inches over the ground. I have a swale protecting it, and I have a dry well, drains under about 10 feet away to a dry well. That works great as long as it's not clogged or full of ice or snow. So what I usually do is I usually have stainless steel screws in here. I took them out to show you. I usually clean this out, and now I'm gonna put this in here to kind of help prevent leaves from clogging it, so I don't, it doesn't get clogged. It'll still drain, and then I'll just clean it out when I need to. Super easy, effective.